Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Now I am using black color sketch pen to draw this. Here I am drawing happy word. This is P letter. This is Y letter. This is H letter. This is O letter. This is L letter. This is I letter. Here I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this word with yellow color brush pen. Fill like this. Here I am using pink color brush pen for outline. Draw a outline like this. Outline was completed. Now I am using pink color brush pen. Fill this space with pink color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. Fill like this. Outline was completed. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Sketch pen. Draw an outline like this. I am using light blue color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. Fill like this. Draw an outline like this. If you have any doubts about border designs and sketches, message me in Instagram. Instagram link will be given in the description. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Fill the middle space with light blue color pencil. Here I am using black color sketch pen for draw this. If you have any doubts about border designs and sketch pen, follow me in Instagram. Message me in Instagram. Instagram link will be given in the description. If you want any type of border designs and cover pages, message me in Instagram. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Draw like an outline like this. Fill this space with blue color sketch pen. These all sketches will be given in the description. Now I am using blue color pencil. Fill the middle space with blue color pencil. If you want, you can use any other colors. Fill like this. Coloring is completed. This pink color brush pen. Fill these places with pink color brush pen. This is yellow color brush pen. This is red color brush pen. This is light blue color brush pen.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting.